is Deepshree. I am a 16-year-old environmental activist and animal rights advocate. Dissent is democratic, protest is patriotic. I love my country and that is the reason, against all odds, I am fighting for every human being, every animal and the planet.
Welcome to UC2 TV. This is Praveen Dev. Today we are at Greater Visakhapatnam Municipal Corporation. Here a 16-year-old environmental activist and animal rights advocate who is protesting in front of GVMC in gate for climate justice and animal rights since last 70 weeks every Friday for 5 hours. Let's listen in her own words what she wants to say.
My name is Deepshree. I am a 16-year-old environmental activist and animal rights advocate. For the last 70 weeks, 70 Fridays, I have been striking outside GVMC building and other official buildings in Vizag for climate action. We know that every single day we are seeing more and more extreme weather events and suffering, yet we are not doing anything about the climate crisis or animal rights. If we don't take action right now, our children may not have a future. I started striking in my 10th grade. I used to write my exams and I would come here on my own and strike. Other students were using their preparatory holidays for their exams. I was using it for my activism. This is not the childhood. This is not the childhood you had. And this is not the childhood any other child should have. I'm not doing this because it might be fun or trendy. Because fighting against any sort of injustice is our responsibility. And you expect girls, you expect women to keep quiet, to be disciplined. But the greatest form of discipline is serving our own country. And you have to empower girls, you have to empower women to step out of their houses and their comfort zones, to pursue their dreams and fight for their nation and the causes that they believe in. And if someone wants to do something for the environment, the best thing they can do is to go vegan, because the University of Oxford has already stated that the single biggest way of reducing your environmental impact is to go vegan. And if we keep being so cruel towards animals, if we keep encouraging factory farms, if we keep breeding animals in billions, and if we keep torturing them and confining them in cages, not only will we have pandemics like COVID-19, but climate crisis will never be mitigated enough. Dissent is democratic, protest is patriotic. I love my country and that is the reason, against all odds, I am fighting for every human being, every animal and the planet.
One day